Hola, hey amigos, maayong adlaw, and we are going to do something different today. So finally, I bought my first ever big boy camera. So this is the E10 Z10 or the EVC Z10 from Sony. So I'm so excited. We are going to do some unboxing today. Now the thing is, we are headed to France right now for the Constellation de Metz festival, and I'm planning to use that tonight. And I didn't have much time the whole week, so we are going to do the unboxing whilst we are in the train right now. Okay. So let me just pull up that camera. Here you go. So this is the box. Now, first things first, when I checked on the sleeve, like this one right here, it just doesn't feel like a premium sleeve for some reason. The way it was printed, it just does not feel expensive. I was expecting a lot from Sony. Nevertheless, it's okay. Now this is the box. Now let's see what's inside. So I got this, guys, for around 700 euros, almost 800. And this is the camera plus a lens. So we are going to open that now. Look at that. Golden hour seeping through the window. Okay, so here it is. I have the warranty, some papers, of course. We have the manual and a whole other stuff. Oh, okay, so this is it. Oh my god. Let's open the camera. Now I am using my Samsung S20 FE to shoot this video. So I'm actually looking at the screen and not the actual camera.
Mesdames, Messieurs, j'attire votre attention. Nous attendons la correspondance d'un train venant de Sud-Lange pour partir. Merci.
Okay, good. Now, first things first. What I like about this one is that it's not bulky at all. I think I can see myself wearing this on my neck, hanging this on my neck. And I think this is the lens. So, let's turn this on. Okay, I don't think it has battery, but we'll see. Okay, so what do we have here? Okay, so I think this is like one of those things for they use for the microphone. I think this is the charger. Okay, I think I might need an adapter for this one. Well, we have another one though. Okay, I can use this one. A USB cord. Ah, okay. I think this is the battery. Or the battery. Wait, I'm not really sure what's in there. Okay, I don't know what that is. I'll figure it out. I'm gonna have to read the manual. What's the other thing? I think this could be... Oh yeah, okay, well this is the battery. Lithium. And what's this one? Oh, it comes with a cord. I like it. Okay, so I'm gonna wear the cord now. Yeah, so basically that's it. So guys, I'm going to try to read the manual and let's see how it goes, if I'll be able to use this tonight during the Constellations de Metz festival, because that's a light festival in the beautiful medieval city of Metz, France. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So, hanggang sa sunod. Ciao!